Hello, we're back again with a Mercedes B-Class here. We're going to stick the door mirror on for you and the belt mould and the door card behind. We initially took off the door card because the mirror's electric. So today we got, as you can see here, we got the belt mould, we got the foam backing pad for the mirror, the speaker, there's your bolts, and we need the 20 Torx, a 30 Torx bit, 2 screws for your door card, there's your bolts for your mirror, and I like to use this impact driver here. Okay, so first of all, we sit this foam padding back in. We took it off initially for the painter so it doesn't get lost. So we slide that in place. There you go. Second, we're going to put this door belt mould on. So you can only take these off once your mirror's off initially. So that goes, slides in place, just behind there, and you just want to gently push it in place. Keep going over it a few times, and that slots in there nicely. Right, now we'll open it slightly, and we'll grab our door mirror, which we packaged up nice here so it doesn't get damaged in a box, with some bubble wrap. So that's nice and clean. There's your electric plug you need to fix when we got a second after. So through the hole here, you're gonna put your wiring loom through, slide that in place. What I do is, if you get a couple of tabs here, you want to angle it towards the top and slide that in place. Right, so that slides in nice. You get a colleague or a friend just to hold that side while you go behind, and you get your bolts in position. Right, so by hand, so you know you're not cross-threading. I'll come and show you in a second. We're just going to slide a bolt in here. And then if you come in closely here, you can see the 20 Torx they are. 3 bolts. I like to put these in by hand first so you know you're not cross-threading the bolts and getting into a world of dramas if you do that. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And buzz them in with your ratchet or your impact driver. Just gently slide them in until it stops. Nice. Right, so you've got your wiring loom here. There's a holder there that slots in, and then Mercedes always come colour coded, so you can see with your wiring looms which plug goes where. This is a black plug, so we're looking at a black symbol there, painted black. That clicks in place. Right. Right, now we've got our door speaker, so you can see the speakers attached in here. You just want to get your wiring plug that we took off earlier. Slide that in position, and again that clicks in place. There's one clip here which goes into there. Put it in your holder as well, so it's nice and neat for when your door card goes on. If you have a look behind, you just want to make sure your clip lines up and give it a nice firm push, and it clicks. Lovely. We'll go and grab our door card, which we've stored over here. Door cards here, and again with the wiring loom for we've got the right at the back of the door card, we've got the colour coded plugs here for the electric window, and if you can see down here, there's one there, clicks in, purple, blue, done. Right, now be super careful. If you look behind here, it's your door lock cable. Push that into place, and then you slide that along and push that in like that. And then manoeuvre your stalk here through the door card, ensuring not to break anything. Be gentle. And then if you look on top of the speaker, you want to make sure that it slides in position. Slides in position there, and then all your clips behind, as long as you centralise the door card, it should. If you go from this side, if you look down, we've also got this little tab here which you need to pull out and push in. And again, you want to give it a push all the way around. You can hear it clip into place. Nice. There you go. Ensure they're all in place. Now with your last two screws here, they go in the bottom section just behind the handle. So if you're looking inside these holes here, there's one there and one just down there. Right, so there's one in there and one in there. Right, so we get our 30 Torx. Again, technique I use is I put it on the end of the bit, just hold it in place, and then what you want to do is feed it into the hole, and you want to do it clockwise up. Same again, directly into the center of your hole. Sweet. Right, so now you want to make sure your interior door handle works, and we can do that manually by closing your lock. Keep watching that, and that opens nice. Other than that, you want to later check your speaker works, and job's a good one. Thanks everyone, like and subscribe. Have a good day.